Good morning, I'm Joseph from Agrovista Amenity. I'm here today with my colleague Andy Norman. We've brought several customers over to BASF's production facility in Wick, Littlehampton, where we're going to learn lots about nematodes, PGRs and pigments. We're going to do a tour of the production facility where the guys can learn more about the procedures involved in manufacturing the nematode products. And we're also going to have a technical deep dive into the Green Launger range of pigments and a little bit about the latest developments and research involving Atraxor.
This was a wonderful opportunity laid out by Agrovista to actually start having a little bit more understanding of the foundations of what we're trying to achieve.
We just sort of came here today to look into the option of using nematodes going forwards, really.
I think we're constantly looking at new products in order to enhance the service we can offer our customers.
BASF to actually show us around and give us a breakdown on how they're producing things such as their nematodes is an eye-opener.
Hearing about all the life cycles is really interesting, but then going over to the factory and going through step by step is really good to see, and I think helps your understanding and helps get your head around it a bit. With the recent changes in legislation to what chemicals you can and can't use, we've started investigating different methods of controlling pests on our course, and nematodes for us seems to be the way forward.
It's enhanced our knowledge of nematodes, certainly.
I mean, the factory was fascinating, and the talk was particularly interesting because it sort of allows us to sort of offer the best possible service with all the details that you wouldn't necessarily just get from sort of reading the back of the pack or looking online.
We have already applied nematodes in the past to quite a lot of success, but I think there's ways which have been mentioned in the presentation, things that we could change to make them even more effective.
So I'm very, very interested in the way two of the products specifically we're looking at protecting the leaf. I don't want to say painting the leaf because we've just been re-educated, you're not painting that leaf.
When we went through the talk and we were looking at sort of application times and the best way to apply to get those sort of results that you're after, I think that was what we really take back with us.
Thanks to Andy for giving us the invite, and I think for Agrovista to allow me to carry on my own personal development, I think is nothing but a win-win, and I hope more and more people get this opportunity.
Really interesting, the factory tour was great, yeah, really nice to see everything in action.
The level of knowledge that they're communicating today, I was very impressed.
This has been a really useful learning day for us.
We had a great day down here in Littlehampton at BASF's factory where they produce the nematodes. Great tour of the facilities. Everybody's had a good day of learning and had some fantastic feedback from some of the customers. We are planning to do some more of these technical days in the future with various subjects, so please let us know if you're interested in attending those, and we'll be letting you know more about that once the details are finalised.